Xiaomi unveiled the Redmi K80 series in China. The K80, K80 Pro and the Redmi K80 Pro Champion Edition arrive as the successors to the last year's K70 and K70 Pro. Redmi K80 Pro come in snow rock white, mountain green, and mysterious night black colors. The Redmi K80 Pro features a 6.67-inch TCL M9 OLED 2K resolution flat panel with 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, offering a 45% CPU and 44% GPU performance boost with LPDDR5X 16GB RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. The device runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2. The Redmi K80 Pro features a triple camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 32MP ultra-wide camera, and a 50MP telephoto lens. It equips a 20MP front camera. The K80 Pro is powered by a 6000 mAh battery with 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging. Redmi K80 Pro price starts 3,699 yuan for 12GB plus 256GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.